Hi! Today for math groups, we're going to read Mouse Shapes by Ellen Stoll Walsh. Let's see what happens in the story with our three little mice. The mice were running from the cat. "Hurry," said Violet. "Let's hide in here," said Martin. After a while, Fred said, "I think we lost him." "Look, we've been hiding in shapes," said Violet. "We can make things with them. Here's a square, and a triangle on top makes a perfect house for Little Mouse." "A triangle and a rectangle make a tree." "The circle is the sun," said Martin. "But these triangles are different," said Fred. "Triangles can be tricky," said Violet, "but any shape with three sides is a triangle." Fred put two circles on a rectangle. "It's a wagon for a little mouse in the house," he said. "Two diamonds make a book for a little mouse to read," said Violet. "Here is one oval, two circles, and 8 triangles," said Martin. "It's a fish." "Watch out, the cat likes fish," said Violet. "Hey, let's make a cat," said Fred. Violet put eyes and nose. Fred stuck on the ears. And Martin added the teeth. "It looks just like the real cat," he said, "only better." So you've got circles for eyes and triangle for the ears, triangle for the nose, 4 triangles for the teeth, and then the head's also a big circle, isn't it? Just then the real cat pounced. The mice ran away. And didn't come back until the cat was gone. "That cat's too sneaky," said Violet. "If only we were bigger." "I have an idea," said Fred. The clever mice got to work. Soon they made 3 big scary mice. And surprised the cat. The cat ran away fast. "What a scaredy cat," said Violet. "Now, what can we make for the little mouse in the house?" "It's time for lunch," said Fred. "Let's make some Swiss cheese." So they did. They had a big triangle for the piece of cheese, and then they had circles for the holes, because Swiss cheese has holes in it. That was mouse shapes. Now what you're going to work on is, I want you, in your math folder, which is your green folder, you're going to take out your papers. There's 3 papers together, and they look like this. Okay, we have all different things that you usually use at school. And then this says see my work on the first day of kindergarten? It's the second day of kindergarten for us, but that's okay. You're going to color this pencil. You're going to color your bus and your schoolhouse and your backpack. You're going to color the crayon, the scissors, and the glue bottle. And then you're going to cut them out. When you cut, you need to cut on the dotted lines, okay? So here's the dotted lines that go around this. This makes a triangle. And you're going to cut very carefully on your dotted lines. Now, when you hold your scissors, it's important that you put your thumb in the top and your fingers in the bottom. Thumb in the top, fingers in the bottom. Thumb always goes on the top, and then you jump, jump, jump. And instead of using the scissors and trying to go around like this, you just move the paper as you cut. It's much easier. So once you get all your shapes colored, all your pictures colored and your shapes cut out, you're going to take your glue stick from your toolkit and you're going to glue them onto your orange paper. Now, it's okay if they cover each other up a little bit. That's called a collage. And so I made a collage of things from school. And it also shows how you color and it shows how you're cutting on the lines. Nice work, my friends. When you finish that, there's two other things you can do. You can get out your cubes. These are my cubes. They're much bigger than yours, but you each have cubes in your toolkit, and you can make a pattern. To make a pattern, you have to pick a color to start with. I'm going to start with brown, and then I'm going to say yellow's next. Brown, yellow. That's my pattern. So now I just have to repeat it. Brown, yellow, brown, yellow. So what would come next? Brown. And what would come next? Yellow. I'm just repeating this pattern over and over again. Brown, yellow, brown, yellow, brown, yellow. We also call this an A-B pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B. So brown is A and yellow's B. So just practice making a pattern with your cubes from your toolkit. When you're done with your collage and your pattern, you can look in your house for something that's orange, like orange Play-Doh. Anything orange is fine. And something purple. I don't know if I have anything purple right here. Let's see what's behind me that might be purple. Oh, this has purple on it. So, hunt in your house for something orange and something purple. And that's our math groups today.